Okay. Ladies and gentlemen of Algebra 2 Honors, welcome to class. Now, Jay and Benny, did you have a chance to look at your video from class yesterday?
No, I passed out as soon as I got home.
Yeah, good job.
Okay, you guys were tired. But video of class is there. Sent it out yesterday. And this one right here is the last one we worked out yesterday, number 5. And then we scroll over and turn the page over, we get to number 6. And number 6 looks like it's more complicated, and I guess it is more complicated.
Yeah, I'm sure you can still figure it out.
And Connor, you could figure it out too.
Exactly.
And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose people to help.
No, pick Peyton again. Peyton's really good at this.
So yeah, so if you did it yesterday, if you were called upon yesterday and decide not to be called today, I can remove your name from the thing.
Who's the best one in this class about it?
Yeah, Peyton, I'd like to have you as a possibility, but if you did it yesterday and choose not to do it again, I'm good with that.
Tell him no.
You never do that.
Tell him no. This is the best one in the class at it.
Do it. Do it.
I'm on 8, but what did you do?
Okay, I don't have any other names removed, but we're good with that. Okay.
Is it different? They're all different fonts.
What is that?
I think it's for headphones. Is this yours, Mr. Kim?
No.
This was like pencils and stuff. Yeah. I'll say if there's something in there with somebody's name on it.
Or some money hanging around. A driver's license or something?
Maybe.
I think you want one of these. Honestly, which one? Not this?
Not the guy.
Were you left or right? I had to make sure, because I was on the right, so I make sure you're right. Doesn't make yeah, me too. I have no idea what it is.
Stop distracting me.
Kind of focus.
Not really. Barely.
You know, Ben, check on the user and sure.
You know, you think?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna choose somebody. Is that
Yeah,
right?
I'm a little lost on this
I know
one.
it's not me because I can't even figure that word out.
I'm slow on this one.
In fact, let me wait a minute there. Oh, wait a minute.
What?
And.
You finished the whole back page already?
It's not that just gets it, you know.
Did you finish that one?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. We're gonna choose somebody.
You're just me on the ground.
If it's me, you're gonna have to hold my hand and walk me through stuff.
That's what happens. Addie, you got picked again.
Let's go, Eddie!
got this better.
She's acting like she's disappointed.
Oh, she looks pretty happy to me. Still Eddie.
All right, Addie, what do we got?
Confession in, I gave her the
Okay, Addie, qu'est-ce que nous avons?
I factored out the first thing, x plus 3 and x plus 11.
So like this? Okay,
And then I factored out x squared minus 3x to x parentheses x minus 3.
pretty good so far.
Great, actually, yeah.
And then I factored up the x squared plus 4x minus 77 to x plus 11 and x minus 7.
like that?
And then the 8x minus 56, a parentheses x minus 7.
X minus 7. Okay, and then,
And then I kept the two other denominators the same.
so 4x and x plus 3, is that right? So like this? Times this? Times this, right?
I think I got it.
Okay,
And then I canceled out the x plus 3 and the x plus 11 and the x minus 7.
so x plus 3, x plus 11, and x minus 7, like that.
And then I got 8x parentheses x minus 3 over 4x.
Okay, over 4x. Okay,
And then I divided both by 4, so then I got 2x parentheses x minus 3. That's just what I got. And then that's what I ended with.
okay, well,
Oh, yeah, great.
so you got x divided by x and got x?
Hold on, I'm thinking.
I don't know if you can divide both by 4 or not, but
Yeah.
Okay, you got this x over x, so they're gonna cancel out.
so, oh, okay.
Right,
Okay.
so you're gonna end up with this,
Come on,
right?
Addie, I'm using a pen.
Alrighty, you messed me up.
Jay, you shouldn't be using a pen.
I don't have a pencil.
Jay, I will make an investment in your education right here.
Thank you so much.
Now you can throw it.
All right, thank you. All right, what else? Anything else?
That's all I did.
What about you excluded others?
X cannot equal -3, -11, or 7.
X cannot equal,
Yeah.
-11, -3, or 7, you said. Does that look right?
They're not zero.
I don't know how to
Zero?
spell 0.
Not zero. Okay, Eddie, look. So
Yeah.
you plug it into the denominator.
Is there 14 up there?
Okay, yeah, so we'll say also x cannot equal 0, right? Because we can't, this can't be 0 either, or else we're undefined, right?
So pretty much, if it's multiplying on the bottom, then 0 is next to it.
Wait, how, what Jay said?
Okay, thank you, Addie.
If it's multiplying on the bottom, like the denominator, if it's multiplying, then x is next.
So, 4x.
Yeah. Because 4 times 0 is 0.
Yeah, but then you.
Thank you, Addie.
Did you know this?
That's sign language for,
No, we don't say it.
on the roller coaster.
I have hand sanitizer on my eye. That's my favorite.
Okay.
And I scratch my eye.
I'm going to go ahead and erase this just to leave more room. I'm going to choose somebody for number 7 in 1 minute.
I'm on it right now, but I don't. Can you back? X squared minus 9. Yeah, oh, yeah. Oh, okay.
I would. Yeah, I wouldn't care.
How would you do it? You don't have to.
You would know.
No, what? I did it, but you don't have to.
Okay.
You can just leave it alone.
So you make it.
No.
Yes, you do.
You have to change it up?
I don't know if you do or not.
They're both lines or one break?
I think so, or we should put x minus 3 times x minus 3.
Oh, yeah.
You could cross out all of
36
them
and x
without.
squared was squares, so it's 1,000.
You can cross out all of them, or do you not cross out?
With the one?
Or do you not cross them out since they're all?
The x squared minus 36.
I think that if they're both in the numerator, you
So
can
it's
cross. Oh,
square
okay. Then-
Okay, here we go. I'm gonna choose somebody now. Here it is, the wheel spin around. We got, looks like Connor.
Oh, let's go.
Mr. G, I'm still working it out.
Is that the baby?
Okay, I'm glad you're still working it out, but what you don't have worked out, I want you to work out live here. That'll be
Okay.
fine.
And then finish it out on the board.
I'm not very far into it, because I'll see if I can.
Yeah, you don't need to finish out the board, but,
All right.
all right. What did you get on this here, Connor?
All right. So, do you have, I don't think you have to simplify the 9x squared, but you, I don't want to say, no?
So 9x squared, right?
Yeah.
Now, as a matter of technicality, you can factor this out, because you can make it 3x times 3x, or 9 times.
Yeah.
Okay, so they're way, or 3 times 3 times x times x. When you see something like this, it's a monomial, I just find, hey, just leave it like a,
Yeah, okay.
and then you can cancel part of that later if you need to. All right?
All right, and then under that x minus 6, you can't simplify or factor it at all.
Yeah.
And then you can go ahead and put parentheses around it for the future reference.
Okay.
And then that times, can you stop me? It's that difference of squares, it's x plus 6 and x minus 6.
X plus 6, x minus 6, okay.
And then down below that, it's 3 times, or 3 parentheses x minus 2.
Okay. Times 3 over,
Alright, on this one here, I'm still thinking.
still thinking of this.
Okay, alright, would it be 4x parentheses x plus 6?
Okay, Connor says 4x times quantity x plus 6, does that look right? Is that right? Yes, no,
I think
maybe?
so.
Yeah.
Yeah, looks good. Okay, go ahead.
Alright, so then you mark out your x minus 6,
So x minus 6,
and then you do your x plus 6 too, and mark that out.
okay.
So then you left with 9x squared. Would it be times 3?
Yeah.
Times 3, so I'll put 3 like this as well.
Yeah, and then that's over 3x minus 3 parentheses x minus 2 times 4x.
Okay.
And then you, let me think.
Seven? This one? This one? Better be on some.
Okay, Mr. G, can you simplify that? I'm not sure. I want to say you.
Okay, I'll make you a short answer question, yes.
Yes, okay.
My answer to your question is yes.
So it'd be, 3x squared. If I'm getting it wrong, just go ahead and fix it, because I am not sure.
Okay, what can you see that you can cancel?
The 9 and the 3, you can change them up.
The trees, you can cancel the trees.
Yeah, you can cancel the 3s.
3, right, so those are gone. Anything else?
I don't think so.
Okay, let me ask you a follow-up question. What's x squared over x? What's that?
Yeah, we've got.
X.
X. So that means we can cancel this out.
Okay.
Cancel that out. So we get
Okay.
9x all over 4, x minus 2. Anything else?
Your excluded values.
Okay, let's use exclude values.
It would be x cannot equal 6. It can't equal -6, and it can't equal 0. No, wait, and 2.
X cannot equal 2, and x cannot equal 0. Okay? That should be it. Now that brings us to, after this, your problem 8. Hold on.
Thinking of 7 and.
No, I didn't, Mr. G.
You did.
Involves,
That was the only one I struggled with, Mr. G. I just want you to know that. Okay?
yeah, that happens.
Yeah, I couldn't do this.
No, I'm serious, it actually is.
Can sit down.
We're
out of the
Yeah, man, how do you know that? I have my mom's stuff.
Jeez, that's the other thing that, promise it was the only one I struggled
But
with.
what would it be, x plus what?
X minus 1. You take out -1, so you solve the sign.
Oh, you take out, okay, okay.
Daddy cookies.
All right, so, actually, I can just leave that there. Okay, so for starting like the quotients, we're going to have to do these like problems 8 and 9. Okay, we have to flip the last rational expression, right? And work from there. Good job. Thank you, Marcus. Let me see it. See, Addie, look. She was holding out on you. You could have used this one here.
Oh.
Is this right?
Yeah, but we didn't recognize that you had, I forgot that you had one. That's okay. She could have used it. I'm gonna get her calculator fixed, I hope.
Okay, I can cancel out anything on 10. Yeah.
On 10, you can.
Okay, let's use
10's giving you a problem. Okay, I want to choose somebody for 8 here.
Why are you on 10?
You guys are working.
8.
If you kind of simplify it, then you just need to,
Can I see that? I just what?
you need the same description.
So we're on number 8.
Wait, Can I see that?
On this.
Yeah.
Okay, number 8, we got, do we have number 8? We have, this will be Julia.
You can reject it, Julie.
Number 8?
Wait, you didn't get it.
You don't want to do number 8? Okay, she don't want to do number 8. She's entitled, she worked the problem yesterday.
Then broke it down.
Okay, Gabby, we got you for number 8.
Let's go, Gabby.
Okay, Gabby.
What's the reciprocal of 20x plus 40? So I put that at the bottom and x squared minus 1x in the numerator.
Okay. So I'm just going to do a rewrite here.
First outside of 1 month.
So that's going to be times.
First.
So you got x squared minus 1,
Outside.
and you got 20x plus 40, is that right?
Yes.
Okay.
And then I factored out 5x squared plus 10x to 5x parentheses x plus
5x, x plus 2, okay.
2. And then the denominator, I did x plus 1 and x plus 1.
Okay,
And I factored out x squared minus 1 to x minus 1 and x plus 1.
okay, x plus, okay, different square, okay.
And
Then,
then the last one, I brought out the 20, so it'd be 20x plus 2.
okay, is everybody okay to this, for these steps so far?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Then I marked out the x plus 2's on each
X
side.
plus 2, like this,
Yeah.
and this, okay,
And the x plus 1.
like this, okay.
And I combined them, so it'd be 5x, x minus 1. And then 20x plus 1. And then, don't you divide by, can't you simplify it to x minus 1 over 4x plus 1?
Like this?
Yes. Is that right?
Does that look right?
Um,
Anybody have any suggestions?
I have that.
This is, to me, this is as far as I could go. I can't see anything else to do. Now, here's the weird thing about it, because it almost looks like this, you could do something with it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But you really can't, so this is it. Okay, good.
And then the square values, I got x cannot equal -2, -1, and 0.
X cannot equal -2. X cannot equal -1. X cannot equal 0, is that what you're saying?
How do you? I looked at it and see, but I wasn't for sure.
Okay. I think there's one more. What else can X
Oh,
not
is
equal?
it, is it a positive one?
Yeah, X also cannot equal 1. Why is that? Because of this thing here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so we have our answers here. Thank you, Gabby.
Good job, yeah.
Good job, Gabby.
And I want to pick somebody for number 9 here in about a minute.
Hopefully big time.
Yeah.
Yeah. It says divide, flip it, and then it's like, let's say you're dividing by 2, you flip it, and you multiply by half. Did you do that? No. Not that fast.
I'm just wondering because I got 0% on that.
I wonder what that.
That was that.
Yeah, but we have to put that with A now.
Okay. Well, is we have 4 people left to choose from here. And we have Marcus or Benny Z. Is it Marcus or Benny Z? Marcus or Benny Z? It's Benny Z. Marcus, it looked like I was going to pick you, then it's kind of clicked over to Benny.
It's fine, it's fine.
That's how you have to prove it.
All right. All right, Ben, what do we got here?
Okay, so you simplify the first fraction into x minus 3, x minus 3 times x minus 6. Then the denominator is x plus 3 x plus 6.
Pretty simple.
Okay,
And then you flip it. So on the top would be x squared minus 9, which applies to x minus 3, x plus 3. And on the bottom it's x plus 6, x minus 6.
okay.
That's where I was. So as you can see, there's a bunch of 6s and 3s. You gotta pair up which ones are the same on top and bottom. So you can cross out the x plus 3s. There's one on the
So x
top,
plus 3 here,
on the right, then on the bottom right.
so it goes here, okay,
Then x minus 6.
okay.
That's it. So then you're left with x minus 3 squared
X squared,
over x plus 3 squared. X plus 6 squared.
Yeah.
okay.
Is that it? Or did we square root it?
Yeah, you can simplify that then.
No, okay, no, you can't,
Right.
you can't square root it here, it's just what it is, okay. And you can't cancel, so you're stuck with that. Okay, so you have excluded values now?
You got x cannot equal.
X cannot equal,
Yes, it is 0. Is it 0?
It's
Because they're original.
What do you mean it's not 0?
Yes, because it's multiplying. Minus.
Okay, so x, so 0 squared is 0, so minus 9 is
so
It's
X,
9 times 0 though.
but then you also got plus 18. Okay, so negative, but no.
Okay,
Yeah,
so.
negative 3. And,
What's the next one?
and positive 3, right?
yes. Yeah. So plus minus 3 and plus minus 6. Right?
Anything else? I think that's it, isn't it? That's gonna cover it, right? We got,
So a bunch of 3s and 6s.
Okay, what's the?
yeah, so they got, so that's gonna be it, right?
Wait a minute.
All right, thank you.
Oh, that big.
Yeah, I actually have a
You
one.
changed it? Yeah, they told me you can do x plus 4 and x
Yeah,
minus
it's
5.
like the
But
big.
just carry the negative sign.
I like drove it through Bristol. Actually, I don't know if it's.
Now, what I want to do for number 10 is I want to show you just sort of a little factoring hack or trick on this.
So, what was the thing? Yeah, it was. No, it wasn't.
So the only two people left are Kathy and
Then I
Kim.
remember in the cold war.
Gabby already went.
Stay serious?
I'm just kidding.
Okay,
Yeah, I remember in the cold war.
No, he did one yesterday.
all right.
I'm not going.
Mr. G, Kim hasn't done one yet, everybody else has.
No, look.
Nope, nope, nope.
In 1992. I did not say anything.
Class, come on, we have to get rid of Siri, right? Siri not allowed. Okay, my recommendation for this numerator up here is to factor out this negative sign from here. And once you do that, you get x squared minus x minus 20. And I think you can do it without factoring a little bit, but it sort of makes your life easier to have it this way. At least that's my estimation. So I'll pick somebody for 10.
That's not.
So Kim, you're not doing it today?
No, I said it's gonna be.
All of the.
What is gonna be you? Yeah, so I got 3 people left, so.
Okay, go. I think I get it.
But there's a constant.
Really?
It cannot be 0
I
usually.
don't wanna go.
Yeah, Kim, it is you.
Kim. Kimberly.
All right, Kim. All right, Kim. What do we got, Kim?
Hey, dudes.
So, I factored
it out. The first one, the top one, I did I brought out the negative.
Okay.
And I did x plus 4 and x minus 5. And then bottom of that is 5x, x minus 5.
And so, now what you do?
Yeah, you
Flip here.
and then I got, for the top, I got 2 parentheses x minus 7,
Okay.
and then x plus 4.
Okay.
And then you cross out the x plus 4.
So like this,
Yeah.
this, okay.
And then x minus 5.
And this,
And then I got negative 2 parentheses x minus 7. And then over 5x.
5x. Okay, does that look good? Okay, what are our excluded values?
5 and then.
X cannot equal 5, you say?
Yes.
Okay, we look at this, the x cannot equal 5. And x cannot equal negative 4. Okay. Anything else?
0. No.
X cannot equal 0. X cannot equal 7. One of those that Kim said sounded kind of like a young man's voice. So Kim just kind of spoke like a young man.
Kim, you have something to explain?
Kim, yeah. All right, very good. Thank you, Kim. And then we just got number 11 left, right?
As long as it's not me.
Well, we just got 2 candidates left.
It's Peyton and Gabby. or
No, we got Jay and Marcus.
Oh, I forgot about Jay.
Jay and Marcus are the only people left.
Marcus did one yesterday.
Oh, did he?
He did.
You did?
Just go ahead and pick,
That's up to you. Do you want to be taken off the list? You don't care.
Oh, yeah, Mark, he's being a true competitor.
He's being a good. I like it. I like it. Let's see what we got here. Gotta love it here. Marcus.
Good.
You guys can end up being Jay.
Oh, let's go, Jay. Yeah.
All right, Jay. Qu'est-ce que nous avons, Jay?
Okay. So, yeah, you can strangle me. Okay, so the x plus 3 on top is fine.
X plus 3 on top.
And then the bottom, I factored it.
Forgot the T.
To, yeah.
Kim did that yesterday.
X plus 5 and x plus 3.
Oh, Peyton did that yesterday.
And then I flipped the second one, so x minus 5 is on top. Thank you for putting the learning on here. And then on the bottom, we got x minus 5 and x plus 5. Pat, quit touching me. And then that's as far as I got. But you can cross out.
Okay.
You can cross out the x plus 3 3's and the x minus 5.
So this one right here, like that and that.
So then you just
That.
get x plus 5 squared.
Hold up, 1 minute.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I like on that.
What's
Am I right so far?
Does anybody notice something?
Oh, God.
I think it was, in second period, I think it was, see right back where you are, Peyton, I think it was Rendy who noticed something else that needs to be considered here.
Isn't there supposed to be 0 with it?
Okay, now see how he's thinking, he's close, he's close.
Well, the answer
It's
is
supposed to be a 1 over it.
It'll be a 1 over.
I said a one right there.
No, I told you that, and then you said it.
So there's your answer, okay? So that's something that I've seen calculus students make this mistake about when you cancel something on top that you have 1. When you cancel everything on top, you still have 1.
Okay. So now just,
Okay, what are excluded values?
5.
and
And,
5, and
hold on, Ben. And,
5.
X cannot equal
Plus
5,
Oh, no, it's just plus or minus. Yeah, it's
plus or minus 5.
Plus or minus 5.
Anything else?
Zero's on this.
Negative 3. Negative 3.
It's not.
No, it's just,
How about negative 3, right?
-3?
No.
Negative 3, and that's it, right?
Yeah.
All right, good job.
Mr. Green, I studied my stuff.
What did he say?
You still need it?
Yeah, you didn't give me one.
What did he
Now, where
say?
did that come from?
Hey, wait right there.
Oh, you were gonna, yeah, okay, I see.